Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about why I'm using fake hashtags in my Facebook ad headlines. Basically in every headline I have like a fake hashtag that has like specific purpose, and the purpose basically helps the ad, to get like higher CTR and well stop people, right? And I will explain you why it actually makes sense, to use these hashtags. But first, if you are an established e-commerce brand and you would like to scale your sales, definitely click on the link below and schedule that free 15-minute call with me and my agency, Adferation. We are a Facebook advertising agency that focuses only on e-commerce. And before we even became an advertising agency, we're actually 8-figure e-commerce owners, right? And still, till this day, we run our own 8-figure e-commerce stores and spend tens of thousands of dollars on Facebook every day. So if this sounds interesting to you, definitely click on the link below and schedule a free 15-minute call with me. Okay, let's talk about those fake hashtags, right? Why I am using fake hashtags in headline. What's like the purpose for it, right? Let me give you example of like literally what person that scroll through newsfeed, does. Basically that person that scrolls through newsfeed, right? They are constantly like checking, for example, some posts like from family, but they are never there to buy, right? And then they, for example, see your ad, right? And first thing what person sees, let's say that they see thumbnail, it's interesting, right? So maybe they will watch video, right? And then next they will immediately go with their eyes basically to the headline, right? So they will see offer, so they understand, okay, this is an offer, they are trying to sell me something. I mean, their brain understands it, right? And then they read the hashtag. And that hashtag has a purpose basically to soften that offer, right? Because nobody wants to be like sold, right? So I'm using the hashtag to kind of like take their attention from that offer, right? But they still consume that information. So they consume information that thumbnail and that video has something to do with this product, and that product have like, for example, buy one get free offer. And then I will give them that hashtag, and in that hashtag I'm using it only to set a emotional frame of that specific ad, right? So if I'm selling something that, for example, is like a, let's say, dash camera, right? I want to set a safety team, right? Basically to keep their family safe when they are driving, or maybe so nobody can like scratch their car, right? And basically I use that safety hashtag to kind of like give them that information, that they should be thinking about safety, because this product will keep them safe, Basically I'm kind of like tapping on that fear emotion, right? Basically to make them a little bit scary or have at least that scary vibe, So this product is solving some situation that's bad and can actually help their family to kind of like dodge that situation, right? I'm using them only for purpose to set that scarcity theme, right? Or use some emotion, that will put a theme on that ad. For me, that's important, because then when they have that scarcity emotion in their head, they will be looking differently on that video. They will be consuming it a little bit differently, like more, for example. They might even read like all text I have that in the ad, and then they will go with complete like different, like state of their mind through that funnel, right? And this is what I do always, right? I want to really like get as much as possible, from those ads, and because like you need to make people emotional, right, about your ad. But nobody really cares about your product on Facebook, right? They are not there to buy. So you need to find a way how to basically like put some emotions on those ads so people can actually feel something, when they see your ad and see your product. Because I see a lot, that people actually run like very boring ads. They use a lot of like logic, they talk so much about like features of product, and like measures, like this is like this big and that like 25 centimeters, but truth is that nobody really cares, Only thing that actually make people to move, to act is some emotion, right? So I'm trying to like put their like huge like emotion, on that ad, so people actually feel something when they see my ad. It's all about these like little things, right? To do like this like out of the box thinking, right? Because every ad is usually the same. I mean, like I see like so many ads, from marketers. Everybody's like copying something from other person, and nobody's like original, right? But these things can like make it original and make everything really like emotional. I mean, marketing is about emotions, right? So these like small little things, will really like increase your CTR and will really like push people to your website, right? But they will go there with like different like mindset, right? That mindset will be, I might need this thing, to like help my family in some situation that can be bad for them, right? And it's already like very powerful, you know, because then if you don't fuck it up, you know, on that website and don't throw on them like a million like wheels of fortune, you know, or like some tens of thousands of upsells of products that have nothing to do with that main one, you know, you might actually get them to buy, you know, and make that process, you know, of like purchase process basically for those customers like a lot easier, right? I definitely recommend you to do this a lot, you know, like to think about where actually you can put emotions in your ads, you know. Every little emotion really counts, you know, because you don't know how you will hit people, you know. And like something like a family safety first, you know, like hashtag, can be really powerful because somebody maybe is really scared about their family, you know, and want to do everything to save them. So this little like sentence, you know, can really like set a tone of person and really like even like sell that product before they even know what they are buying, you know. When it comes to like creating these things, it's not really about talent, you know, like marketplace is really like filled with like very boring ads, and it's not just because those marketers are not talented, you know, it's usually because those marketers just want to do everything immediately. They don't want to spend time on those ads, think them through, you know, and really like focus on what they are doing. So once you will do that, you know, I mean, you don't have any competition because you are immediately completely like out of that like mess of like average marketers, right? It's not about their skills, but it's about their like attitude, right? And how they look at their work, you know. So if you will always look for these like small things that you can make better in your ads, you know, little like every little thing, you know, you will go a lot farther than other marketers, right? Other business owners, other dropshippers, other e-commerce owners, right? And I always try to look at these things like that, right? So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it really helps, you know. And if you are running in Facebook Circle of Hell and you would like to get out of it, you know, or you are just trying to get back on the track because now Q4 starts, definitely, you know, download my book. It's Facebook Advanced Survival Guide, you know, I now have wrote it to get you out of the Facebook Circle of Hell, okay? So you don't need to constantly like run, you know, in darkness, and so Facebook will not like ban you again, right? So definitely download it, it's free. And like I said, if you are established e-commerce brand and you would like to scale your sales, especially now when Q4 is coming, definitely click on the link below and schedule that free demo call with me, and I will explain you how we work with clients and what we can actually bring on the table. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.